Now see, is there any problem? Is there any problem to solve the question number 1, 2, 3 from the exercise 15A, or everyone solved? Everyone solved? Can I explain it? Can I explain it again, or we can move to the fourth question? Good, thank you. Okay, now see, fourth question is find the angles of triangle which are in the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2. So there is three angle and there is three ratios. So question number 4, let the angles be 4x, 3x and 2x. And yesterday I told you the angle sum property of a triangle means the angle sum property of a triangle is the sum of three angle is 180 degree. So therefore 4x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. And you have to write, see now this is a symmetry. So everyone must write the reason. This is angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree over 9 means 20 degree. Now the angles are 4 into 20, 3 into 20 and 2 into 20. So which is equal to 80, 60 and 40. And you have to put the degree over here. Clear? Now see, everyone please copy it. And after that we will do the question number 6. Okay, Agriti, read the question number 6. Okay. Are you clear with this question or not? You understand this question? What? Tell me. बताओ क्या समझे? जी बताइए जल्दी से. Now mute your audio. वहां से कुछ आवाज आ रही है. Okay. Now the acute angle of a right triangle. We know that in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, we know that one angle is 90 degree and other two are acute. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we know that one angle is 90 degree and the other two is acute. These two angles are acute angle and the ratio for this is 2 is to 1. So you can do by your own. Let the acute angles be 2x and 1x and 1 is 90. So 90 plus 2x plus 1x is equal to 180 degree. And then you will get your answer. So question number 6, you can do your own. समझ में आया आकृति या नहीं? Akriti, now this is clear. So in right angle triangle, see, read the question carefully. If it is a right angle triangle, then one angle is 90 degree and other two are acute. And the ratio for the other two angle is given here. So you can let the acute angles be 2x and 1x. And by using the angle sum property of a triangle, you are able to find the value of x, then 2x and then 1x. Clear? Good. Oh, just read the next question. Question number 7. Okay, Ahana, read the question number 7. Very simple question. In a triangle, if one angle is 100 degree and other two, now see, which type of triangle is this? Ahana, tell me. If there is a triangle. No, आना it is obtuse angle triangle. स्केलिन ट्राइंगल या आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल के लिए तो हमें सोच, हाँ आइसोसेलेस हो जाएगा, लेकिन पहले हमें बताना इट इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्राइंगल. एंड इफ इट इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्राइंगल, तो ये जो दो एंगल है ये एक्यूट एंगल होंगे. Acute angle, and both the angles are equal, it means that this side is also equal. Then we say that first we say obtuse angle triangle, and then second, after drawing this, then we say that is a isosceles triangle. Good, Ahana, very good. So let the two equal angle be x and x. You can find the value of x. Any doubt in this question? Anyone? तो मेरे ख्याल से क्लियर है. Using the angle sum property of a triangle, 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree, and you can solve it like, see, 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and now see, this is 100 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. तो 100 को इधर भेज दो by linear equation. So 2x is equal to 80, x is equal to 40. ऐसे करके इसको सॉल्व करना है. So this is also in homework. You all can do in homework, please. Ankita, Ankita is there in class or not? Read the next question. Question number क्या है, जो भी है उसको पढ़ो. Isosceles. फिर से बोलो isosceles. Isosceles. हाँ पूरा बोलो. हाँ. ठीक है. Each of the two angle of a isosceles triangle is twice the third. Each of the equal. So see, first you can see the isosceles triangle. Now this is isosceles triangle and this side is equal to this. So these two base angles are equal. These are the base angles. Base angles. And this is vertex angle. Okay. So would in this question, each of the two equal angle of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. So let the third angle be x. Then the two equal angle be 2x. Now the base angles are equal and 2x. So Ankita, tell me what I do next. You can use the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. You can use angle sum property of a triangle. So this is 2, and if it is 1 x, so you can put 1 here. So 2, 4 and 1, 5. 5x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 upon 5. कितना होगा अंकिता? Yes, good. So x is equal to 36 degree. So third angle is equal to 36 degree, and two equal angle is equal to Ankita. Yes, this is the solution now. Please copy it. Question number 9, you can do your own. And after copied, tell me. Everyone copied? Okay. Now read the uh, एक second. I just Naitik, Rajni. Rajni is there in class. Now still, how many students? Now check how many students in class now. 6, same. But he is not answering. Okay. Okay. So now the 10th question. Everyone see, this is slightly different question and little difficult also to understand. Now see the question number 10, please. And everyone read by your own. I am reading for you. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, 2 angle A is equal to 3 angle B is equal to 6 angle C. ठीक है? दिख रहा है सबको? ओके। अब इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि फर्स्ट वन बाय वन पेयर करते हैं, और इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक एक्स ऑल्सो. लेट एंगल बी बी एक्स डिग्री. ठीक है, बी को हमने एक्स डिग्री मान लिया. So 2 angle A is equal to 3 angle B. Yes. So 2 angle A is equal to 3x. Angle A is equal to 3 upon 2x. Clear? Now 3 angle B is equal to 6 angle C. ठीक है? समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं? बताना है मुझे. Now this is 3x. B की जगह पे हमने x लिख दिया. Is equal to 6 angle C. Now angle C is equal to 3 upon 6x. You can cancel it. This is 1 and 2. So angle C is equal to 1 upon 2x. यहां तक क्लियर हो गया? A की वैल्यू आ गई, C की वैल्यू आ गई और B की वैल्यू हमारे पास है. Now angle A plus in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to, Ankita, yes, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to, huh? Yes, this is angle sum property. ठीक है? Angle sum property. Now we can put the value. So angle A is 3 by 2x plus x plus 1 upon 2x is equal to 180 degree. So now solve it this 3 by 2 x plus 1 upon 2x. तो ये हो जाएगा, you can see here LCM is 2, 3x plus 2x plus 1x is equal to 180 degree. So 3 plus 2, 6, 1, 7. एक मिनट देखने दो मुझे, कहीं कोई वैल्यू गलत तो नहीं लिख रही. 2 angle A is equal to 3 angle B plus 3 is equal to 6 angle this. अब क्या गड़बड़ है? Angle A is equal to 3.2x. Angle B is equal to x, C is equal to this, okay? And now 5 1 6. ओके ठीक है, अब यहाँ तक हो गया सबका? कैन आई रब लिटिल बिट? अब मैं थोड़ा सा इधर मिटा रहा हूँ, तो प्लीज कॉपी जिसने नहीं किया वो बोलना. ओके इतने में हो जाएगा. सो अब क्या हो गया? 3 to 6 6x, 6 by 2x इज इक्वल टू 180. 2 से इसको कैंसिल किया तो 3 हो गया. सो x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री अपॉन 3. तो कितना आया? 60 डिग्री. 60 डिग्री आ गया. तो अब हम लिखेंगे फिर आगे वाला इसको. नाउ एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. तो एंगल A कितना था? एंगल A था 3 by 2x. तो 3 upon 2 multiplied by 60. So this is 30 and now 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 1 upon 2 into 60, which is equal to 30 degree. So the angle C is equal to 30 degree. This is the three angles. Clear? Now please copy it fast. Now Anna, read the next question please. Question number 11. लिख लिया सबने? Anna, now read the next question. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल कितना होगा बताओ? ये तो मैं बता, यस। सो कैसे करोगे प्रूफ? लेट द इक्वल एंगल्स तो अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 सबको होमवर्क में करना है. एवरीवन मस्ट राइट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इन होमवर्क. Each equal angle, let the each equal angle be x degree. So x plus x is equal to 180 और फिर 3x is equal to 180, x is equal to 60. तो इसको सॉल्व करना जरूरी है, सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है. यू कैन शो द वर्किंग ऑल्सो टू फाइंड, मतलब टू शो हाउ यू गेट द 60 डिग्री एंगल. ठीक है. नाउ आकृति, रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 प्लीज. हम्म हम्म ओके. Question number 12. Yes, you can see the figure here. A, B, C. This is D, this is E. Now this is 65 degree and this is 65 degree. Oh, sorry, 55. This is 55 degree. Clear? And given is what? Given is DE parallel to BC. ये जो लाइन, ये दोनों पैरेलल है. These two lines are parallel. So angle ADE, ये वाला एंगल, दिस एंगल, सी प्लीज. अच्छा ठीक है, इसको नहीं, पहले चलते हैं हम इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी. इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री and this is 65 degree plus 55 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 120. So angle C is equal to 60 degree. Clear? Now this is 60 degree. Second, in triangle ADE, ADE क्या ABC के अंदर ही होना चाहिए. Okay. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC given. So angle ADE is equal to angle B, which is equal to 55 degree. Angle AED is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. और इस दोनों के लिए एक ही रीजन है, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल. ठीक है. ठीक है, कोई कंफ्यूजन है इसमें? समझ आया क्या नहीं आया? ये लाइन AB and BC is parallel. If AC, sorry, BC and DE is parallel, then this angle, oh, not, it's not alternate, it's corresponding. नहीं, it's alternate नहीं है, corresponding है ऐसी. Corresponding angle है, sorry, reason change कर लेना, it is the corresponding angle. So if this line is parallel, so angle B is equal to angle D here, because this is the corresponding, one is interior, one is exterior, and same with C and E. Clear or not? Copied? Copied? Not copied. Okay, please copy it. After that, question number 13, question number 14, and question number 15. Do in homework, because this is just fill in the blanks. Can a triangle have? So you all know that the properties. So do this. Now let us start next thing. Copied? Okay, okay, ठीक है. Just give me 1 minute. I will arrange another class and uh, send in your group. You can join it again. Okay, now joined everyone. Okay. Now everyone open the page number 184 and see exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Now how many students? 6 students. Same. Now 7. Exterior angle property. Now see everyone, exterior angle property. See, if a triangle ABC is extended to one side like this, then A, B, C and this is D. So this is the exterior angle. Exterior means bahar. So this is basically the exterior angle. Okay. And these are three interior angle. 1, 2 and 3. And 4 is exterior angle. See, interior angle 1, 2 and 3. Exterior angle is 4. 4 is the exterior angle. Now see, what is the property? What is the property for this? Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A plus or acha no, 1, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Yes, good. And this is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. And now angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. This is a linear pair. Linear pair. Yes. सबको मालूम है what is linear pair? सबको मालूम है लीनियर पेयर क्या होता है? हमने पैरेलल लाइन में पढ़ा है कि if there is a common vertex and that angle must be on a straight line, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे दो एंगल हो तो हम उसे 180 डिग्री कहते हैं, मतलब उसका सम 180 होता है और हम उसे लीनियर पेयर कहते हैं. सो नाउ सी, दिस इज इन इक्वेशन 2. Okay, and you see angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. From the equation 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now, if we transfer angle 3 there, then angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 minus angle 3. Now, this is cancelled. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. समझ में आया? This is the angle sum property. मतलब इस 4 का इंटीरियर में अपोजिट टू एंगल के सम के बराबर होता है. एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1 प्लस 2 और एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4. क्लियर? दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. And this is a kind of theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced to D, then if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. हाँ, कौन कुछ पूछ रहा था? What? कहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन करूं? इन ट्राइंगल ABC, सी देखो पहले ये फिगर बनाया, उसके अंदर एंगल 1 2 3 एंड 4 मार्क किया. यहाँ पर लिखा है इंटीरियर एंगल्स कौन कौन से? एंगल 1 2 एंड 3 है. एक्सटीरियर एंगल कौन सा है? 4 है. नाउ इन ट्राइंगल ABC, एंगल 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. angle sum property of a triangle. And now angle 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. This is a linear pair. The angle on a straight line is 180 degree. From equation 1 and 2, इन दोनों जो equation हमने बनाए हैं उससे we get, you see, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. It means that this both part are equal. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Because both the sum is 180 degree. Now we transfer 3. Now we transfer 3 to the RHS side. Here this is positive 3. If we change the side, it become negative 3. और यहाँ पर एक पॉजिटिव 3 पहले से है, तो ये और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, मतलब माइनस हो जाएगा. सो एंगल 1 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. मतलब ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो 4 जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है उसका सम इंटीरियर इंटीरियर एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 के बराबर है. एंड दिस इज अपोजिट. दिस एंगल इज एंगल 1 एंड 2 इज अपोजिट टू एंगल 4. क्लियर? अभी एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो समझ में और भी आएगा. Now everyone see the page number 185, example number 1. Now see the example number 1. A, B, this is C and this is D. So D is equal to 125 degree and this is Y degree and this is X degree and this is 55 degree. So now you see here this is exterior angle. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं. क्या लिख सकते हैं? x प्लस 55 डिग्री x प्लस 55 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 125. और यू कैन राइट द रीजन. exterior angle property. Now x is equal to 125 degree minus 55 degree which is equal to 70 degree. Or now you can see here 125 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. It is a linear pair. ठीक है, so y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 125 degree which is equal to, कोई बोल दो, 180 minus 80 minus 25 is equal to, so y is 55. अच्छा, एक और चीज है, इस y को हम एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से भी निकाल सकते हैं. If x is equal to 70 degree, so in triangle, this is OR. This solution is complete, this is OR. If anyone have problem in linear equation, they can use in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus is equal to 180 degree angle sum property. 70 plus 55 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 55 is 125. So y is equal to 55. So this is OR. You can use linear pair or angle sum property, both. कोई सा भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Now this is clear. Or is there any problem? Is there any problem? Please ask. Otherwise मैं समझूंगा कि तुम्हें आ गया. ये एक्सरसाइज कौन सा है? ये एक्सरसाइज 15A में सभी मार्क कर लो. ये क्वेश्चन होमवर्क में है प्लीज. 50 exercise 50 15A. Then I will rub and write the homework for the question, exercise 15B. Sorry. Copied everyone? Now open exercise 15B. Everyone open exercise. Exercise 15B. लिख लिया? Open किया exercise 15B. Now see the question number 1, 2 and 3. This is the same question. Exercise 15B, question number 1, 2 and 3. This is the homework. Because question number 1, 2, 3 is exactly the same. And you all can find your own. Yes, clear? Now read the next question, Ankita. Now the figure is okay. ठीक है ये? Exterior angle is 110. Let the interior angle. Let the interior angle be 2x and 3x. ठीक है? Now 2x plus 3x is equal to 110 degree. Exterior angle property. So it is 5x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree upon 5. So it is 5 3s and then 36. So 2x is equal to 2 into 36 and 3x is equal to 3 into 36. So 36 twos are 72 and 3 6 are 18, one carry, this is 108. Clear? And question number 5, you can do your own. Yes, now clear question number 4? Good. Now read the fifth question, please. Just read now, I will tell you how to do. Yes, yes, ठीक है. Each angle of a triangle. So, see, if it is a figure like this, if it is a figure like this is 100 degree and the rest are same. Now in question number 5, you can draw the figure like this and mark angle 1, 2 and 3 here. And now you know that angle 1 is equal to 2. Let angle 1 and angle 2 be x. So by using the exterior angle property, you can find the value of x and then find the angle third also. You have to find the angle third also. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, done. So this is the last question for today's class. So please write the homework and send homework according to the class. So that is why you can mark the question, homework question, please. Now mark it, please. Everyone mark. Good. Now the class is over. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.